Hey guys, so Buddy and Echo got a present today. Look, yeah, have a look. So we got a present today. Look, there's a lovely letter here too. Thank you for your lovely offer. Hope Buddy and Echo enjoy their gifts. Thank you so much. So we brought some little toys and we're supporting these guys. They're absolutely beautiful what they do. I'll put all their information at the end of the video. How's this? Do you want to play with this? Okay. Where you going, Echo? Yeah. Look at that. And you've got this little one. Can you step up, buddy? Step up. Look. And look at these little ones for you to play with. Hey. Got this one? So we hung up those toys. Look, Buddy. It says Amy, Buddy, and Echo YouTube. Thank you so much. Yeah, they sent you some gifts. Look, Echo. Look at all those. Yeah. Do you want to have a look? Look. All different little things. Thank you so much. They're going to love it. So guys, we're going to give these guys a huge wrap at the end of this video. They do amazing work with parrots and birds. And yeah, if you guys want to go to their shop, they've got some beautiful little toys and lovely little things for these guys to chew on. Buddy's like, yep, I'll have that one. You're not going to step up there. Oh, Buddy likes that one. Come on, Echo. Come on. He loves it. Say thank you. Yeah, thank you for the gifts. Hey, Echo, do you want to have a taste? Have a try of these? I've got a bowl. Oh, you're both fighting over it. What about this one? Yay. Say thank you. Thank you for our presents. We love them. Yeah. What about this one? Oh, this one? Hey. Good job. Thank you so much, guys. And if you guys want to go ahead and get some beautiful little gifts for your beautiful birds, I'll have all the info at the end of this. Yeah, so head over there and spoil your pets. Thanks, guys. Have a nice day.